Shadowboxing is a solo boxing exercise where you throw punches into the air, mimicking fighting movements. It's a powerful cardio and conditioning workout that improves coordination, speed, and form without needing equipment or a partner. How to do shadowboxing step by step. 1. Get in boxing stance. For right-handed, orthodox. Left foot forward, right foot back, feet shoulder width apart. Slight bend in knees. Hands up, left hand, lead, near chin, right hand, rear, near cheek. Elbows tucked in, chin down, eyes forward. For left-handed, southpaw. Reverse the above. 2. Start moving. Stay light on your feet, bounce slightly, shift weight side to side. Use small steps to move forward, back, and side to side. 3. Throw punches. Use a mix of these punches. Jab, lead hand straight punch. Cross, rear hand straight punch. Hook, curved punch across the body. Uppercut, rising punch upward. Mix in defensive moves, slips, head tilts, ducks, rolls, or steps back. 4. Add rhythm and intensity. Move fluidly. Combine footwork, punches, and defense. Breathe with each punch. Exhale with force. Throw punches with speed, not power. Focus on form. Example, shadow boxing drill, beginner. In round 1, 1 to 2 minutes. Basic jabs and crosses. Round 2, add hooks, uppercuts, and head movement. 3. Round 3, freestyle combo, move around plus vary punches. 4. Rest, 30 seconds between rounds. Do 3 to 5 rounds for a great cardio workout. Muscles worked in shadow boxing. Muscle group roll and movement. Shoulders, deltoids, arm movement, punch speed. Arms, biceps, triceps, punching force and control. Chest, pectorals, power generation and punches. Back, lats, traps, rhomboids, punch retraction, stability. Core, abs, obliques, lower back. Rotation, balance, punch force. Legs, quads, calves, hamstrings, glutes. Movement, balance, and power. Please check my next video.